what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Shamira and today I'm going to be filming a college night routine for you guys. So it's a little bit after 4 and I thought I would just go ahead and start my night evening routine with you guys since it's starting to get to that time. So I've just been sitting here doing some homework, trying to get ahead and do some homework. So I've just been watching lectures on my computer, taking notes on my iPad, and yeah, that's what I've been doing for the past couple hours. I'm probably gonna do this for another hour before I start dinner, and then I have an interest meeting for a pre-med student organization on campus that I'm interested in going to. So I'm gonna go to that on Zoom at like 7, then probably do a little bit more homework and then go to bed. So that is like my routine. That's what's ahead of me for the night. So I thought I would just go ahead and start the video now. Alright guys, it's an hour later. I finished all the lectures. I actually went ahead and took the test. I did not know it was 70 questions when I opened it, but I opened it and I was like, oof. So I just took it. Actually, it didn't take very long. I ended up getting a 90 on it, but I am gonna retake it probably after dinner or after my meeting, whichever one comes first, because I want to try to get 100 on it. So I'm going to retake that, and yeah, so now it's time for dinner. It's 5:40, so I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner so I have time to cook it and eat it before my meeting at 7. So let's go ahead and make some dinner. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight I'm going to be attempting to make yellow Thai curry. I've never made coconut curry before, so I'm gonna be making that. But alright guys, so for dinner tonight I'm going to be attempting to make yellow Thai curry. I've never made coconut curry before, so I'm gonna be making that, but it's not like completely from scratch or anything. I'm using a jarred sauce. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I will be using. I'm using chicken. I'm gonna make some broccoli with it and some jasmine rice. All right, so here are all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. I've got the chicken breast out. I'm not gonna use this whole entire pack of chicken. I just bought it today, so I haven't had time to separate it. I'm probably gonna use 2 or 3 of these. Here is the yellow Thai coconut curry sauce that I'm gonna be using. It's called Yai Thai's yellow Thai coconut curry. I got this from Thrive Market, which I like to shop on there for my like Whole Foods type of things, or like things that are hard to find at Kroger, because here the main grocery store is Kroger. There's no Whole Foods or anything like that, so sometimes certain foods like this would be hard to find. And this has super clean ingredients. You can read every single thing on the list, no like crazy things. So I'm really excited to try this out. Just got some jasmine rice. I'm gonna chop up some bell pepper to put in with the curry. That's not bell pepper, that is a red pepper, and chop up that. Here's the broccoli. I've actually got 2 here, but I'm only gonna use 1 for this meal prep. And then I'm going to toss in some spinach and some cilantro. The cilantro's in the fridge with the coconut curry. So yeah, that is everything that I'm gonna be using for this curry. I'm gonna go ahead up and chop up the broccoli, chop up the chicken. Let's get it started. just chopped up the chicken into like little cube sizes, and now I'm just going to season it up. Got some Himalayan pink salt here, so I'm gonna crack a bit of that on. And then I've got some fresh ground pepper, so I'm gonna crack some of this. Gonna put a little bit of garlic, some onion powder, red pepper flakes, that was kind of a lot, but it's what we're looking like. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of ginger. Honestly, I was very unsure about what to season this with, and I guess I should have looked up some like seasonings to put on like curry chicken, but I think this will be good. And I'll keep it simple because I'm using that sauce. So now I'm just giving all of that a big mix and toss. I've got my pan over here heating up a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna add in some minced garlic, and I'm gonna toss my red peppers in that I sliced up, and I'm gonna saute these up just for a little bit so they can cook through a bit. And I'm going to get some water boiling for this rice. So, all right guys, here is the chicken. I'm going to add the Thai curry, and the rice is back here. It's just about done, and then I'm gonna turn on this broccoli. It literally steams for like 5 minutes, and I hope you guys can hear me over all of this. So I added the entire jar of the sauce because it's 4 servings and I anticipate on eating this for 4 days, so I went ahead and added the entire jar. Here it is. I'm going to toss in the spinach after because it's gonna get really wilty, so I'm gonna toss that spinach in later. I'm about to cover it, and my battery is flashing dead, so I'm gonna go really fast, but I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer, put it on low, and then I'm gonna top it off with some cilantro as well. All right guys, here is my finished curry. I've got Elisha on the phone, don't mind that. But I just plated up the rice and the broccoli. The curry smells so good, so I'm gonna plate this up and show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, here we have it. And I've got LaCroix. This is the watermelon flavor. So good. So yeah, here's dinner. So I'm about to eat, and I thought I would do a live taste test. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. So I'm gonna taste a piece of the chicken. Oh my god. That is so good, guys. That is so good. So I'm gonna eat this. Normally Sierra and I eat together, but she left me for Labor Day. She went home. So I'm gonna enjoy this, turn on a YouTube video, and eat my food. done with my schoolwork. It is now 9:30, and while I was doing my schoolwork, I actually put on some reality TV because I just wanted something that was like light and some background noise. So I started Real Housewives of Potomac, and I've heard so many people talk about the Real Housewives franchise, but I actually never got into it, and I really like reality TV, so I just started that. I actually really like it, and so I'm gonna watch that while I like chill out. But now I'm about to do my skincare. I just started my kettle to make a little cup of tea, so I'm gonna do my skincare and then have some tea and relax. I like to be in bed by like 10:30 so that I can wake up early in the morning and not be like super tired. So yeah.
Ryan Little.
Skincare is done, and now I'm gonna go fix my tea. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of chamomile tea tonight, a little bedtime tea. So yeah, I just use a electric what am I saying? Electric tea kettle that I got from Amazon. It looks like this, and I already started it, so it's actually done. I just need to get my tea. I am in my bed now. I've got my cup of tea, and I like to have, sometimes when I have like a sweet tooth, I will have a piece of the Hu chocolate, if you will. This is the almond butter and puffed quinoa dark chocolate flavor, and it's just vegan chocolate. So I like to have this, and there's only like 1/8, like a square left. So I'm gonna eat that with my tea and watch the Real Housewives. So I'm just gonna do this for about like 20 minutes just to like wind down, and yeah.